I'm Dr. Rhea Hogsteth, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association. It's springtime here in Atlanta, and with spring comes thoughts of what? You're right, spring cleaning. So here's a great marketing tip you can use this spring for your top referral sources. Take your top tier of your referrals, whether it's pediatrician, family practitioners, general dentists, whatever it is, figure out how many of those you have. And then hold a drawing for each office that one of their staff wins a gift certificate for a house cleaning. Then you can take maybe your second and third tier offices and you could either pool those together into one big drawing, or maybe you could do a drawing for each of their offices too, but instead of a whole house cleaning, give them a certificate for maybe just 1 hour of cleaning, and they can pick and choose where in the house to use that. So once you've come up with a number of those that you want to get, then contact some of the cleaning services in your area and see if you can negotiate some good rates based on the number of certificates you're going to buy, right? So once you've got that all set up, then I want you to call those offices, explain the contest that you're going to run for them, that you would like to come over and bring that and bring some goodies with it, and how many staff members do they have, and what's a good day to do that. So do that for all the offices. Get that all set up. Then for goodies, I would suggest you do something like mini cupcakes, mini muffins, cookies, something that they can just use to grab and go. So on the day that you're going to go there, I want you to go ahead and have a flyer that talks about the contest and makes it very professional. And also then a sign-up sheet for all the staff to fill out with their contact information. So you know how many people are in the office, how many staff members there are, so you'll know exactly how many of these to prepare. So once you've done that to all the offices, then give them a deadline. Make sure it's like 7 days, no more than 10 days, and then do your drawing. So in your office, when you do the drawing, you could actually video it on somebody's phone where you guys do the drawing and, of course, celebrate big, have balloons and those horns and blower things like we use on New Year's. You can get those at any party store, but make a big celebration about it, right? And you can either send that right to the person who won's phone because you've got their contact information, or better yet, go to the office with the gift certificate, same balloons, the horns to blow, and take a couple staff members over and present it to them. Make a big hoopla in their office so everybody knows that it was your office that was giving this to them. Those of you who are PDAA members already, I will be glad to send you the PDF file that has this flyer and the sign-up sheets for the staff. All you have to do is contact me. You can email me or fax me or phone call me. Just get a hold of me and I will get it out to you. For those of you who are not members of the PDAA, I will be glad to give this a bonus to you if you go ahead and sign up right away during the month of April for the membership in the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association. It's very easy to do. You just go to the website at www.thepdaa.com, click on the Join Now or Enroll Today buttons, and just do it all online. You can sign up the entire office right then and there, and as soon as I get that information, I will send you that same PDF file so that you can edit this and change everything so it's exactly right for your office. It will add to the professionalism of the contest and make it be even more dramatic of a presentation. So another way that you could use this same spring cleaning promotion is to do a Facebook contest for your parents in the office. All you have to do is let the patients and parents know that you're going to run this contest, and it is for a gift certificate for their house to be cleaned. All they need to do is take a picture of the kids and the parents cleaning the home, post it onto your office Facebook, and then have their friends like it. So choose a date when it's going to be cut off, and then whoever has the most likes as of that date wins the contest. So you could do the same thing. Celebrate in the office. When you decide who that person is, video it, blowing the horns, the balloons, everything, and then you could just send that video right to the parent when they want it, and that's a great way to let them know they won. Then do have them come into the office, do the same thing, celebrate big, take a photo of them holding the certificate, and put that on your Facebook office post. And then another thing to do is ask them when the cleaning service actually comes to their house to take a photo of the cleaning service with the family, and then you can also post that onto the office Facebook site. So that's a great way to spread the coolness about your office, not only to all the parents in the practice, but also all of their friends. So you can really broaden your sphere there and get some more attention for your office. So again, those of you who are PDAA members already, just contact me and ask for the PDF file for the spring cleaning promotion, and I'll get that right out to you. And remember, those of you who are not members yet, just go to the website www.thepda.com and enroll today. Hit the Join Today, Enroll Now button and sign up your entire team, and I will get this right out to you as my gift, as a bonus for doing that during the month of April. I'm Dr. Rhea Hogseth, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association. Enjoy your spring, have a great one, and I'll see you on the next Practice Pearl from the PDAA.